Today I'm going to show you Crystal Cascades. Today's adventure starts off in Cairns. It's located in the Far North region of Queensland, Australia, approximately 1700 kilometres north of Brisbane. The first thing we want to do is to head north on the Cairns Western Arterial Road. At these set of traffic lights, we want to turn left onto Redlinch Connection Road. Only a few minutes drive along this road will meet a roundabout. We want to take the first exit, which then takes us onto Redlinch Intake Road. From here we need to follow this road all the way to the end until we reach the Crystal Cascades car park. This road is only 12 kilometers long and will take roughly 15 minutes to drive. Do be careful of horse riders in this area. There's a horse riding school on this road which often takes their horses out for a walk. Finally, we'll be going through a mini mountain range from the rainforest, and that will lead us to our final destination. This here is the entry into the Crystal Cascades car park. We need to park our car and get ready for the hike. This here is the start of the Crystal Cascades walking path. This path is wheelchair accessible and is roughly 1.2 kilometers long, which will take roughly 15 minutes to complete. Along the way you'll see several smaller waterfalls which are gorgeous to look at. This here is roughly halfway. From here it does get a bit steep, but it's still doable in a wheelchair. Just watch out for the watery parts on the path. It's super slippery from all the algae. Finally, you'll come to the viewing deck, which is a platform to the right. This here is a zoomed in view from the viewing deck. And here's an awesome photo that I took. Alright, now it's time to go swimming. My name's Trent, and I hope you enjoyed this waterfall adventure of Crystal Cascades. If you want to see more, make sure you watch my 360 virtual reality video here to get a close-up view of Crystal Cascades. Also, here's a random adventure video that YouTube think you may like. I'll catch you later on my next waterfall adventure. See yous.